Alright, here's the heads here. Working on these. So this one just kind of roughed it in real quick. You can see I didn't cut the line on this side all the way. But I got it opened up a little bit. This is the other one, so you can see how they're not quite the same size, see. So basically these have a lot of taper to them. My finger is way in there. See how it's recessed way out in there? You just cut that away and it's almost straight, which should be this surface on this one. You can see how it's almost straight coming out here. And it takes away the big funnel effect you get in there. This one, just drop it down and blend it. See, there's no more straight area at the bottom, it just goes tapered straight down. Blend that in. And the same thing on this corner here, just blend it in. What you have over here, be this one. So you come straight through here, it's pretty much straight out. So quick and simple. It's a lot closer than what it was. Definitely opened up a bunch. And it should make it run a little bit better. Maybe. Maybe not. So I'll go ahead and do a little whittling here and you can see how it looks. We'll be interrupted here at some point. Alright, so this one can go over here on the way. Got our holding fixture here. Threads are horrible. Horrible! Jeez, those threads are bad. Jeez. Probably even torqued down. Don't look at them that close. You have to fix them. It got tight, that's all that matters. Hey, dumbass, this is the one I just did. Grabbed the wrong head. Must be getting tired. It's tomorrow again. Threads are still bad. Oh, those are bad. Oh well. They don't look that bad, but they're pretty loose. Maybe it's a tool. Yeah, it must be the tool. This one's pretty loose too, and the threads looked okay. Yeah, it must just be the tool. I take that back. Those are good heads. Yeah, sure they are. Alright. Basically, grab the part you want to cut, start cutting on it. Doesn't really matter where you start, just start. There's a good spot. We're only using 3 cutters. Hogging, finer, and then underneath the valve seat. That's it. 3 tools, all you need. And a rag. Rag would be nice. Okay. Do some whittling. There, here. Number 3/4. Let's see, I think you can probably see it better over here. Not that box though. Over here. Over here when I'm actually cutting. I don't know if you can see anything out there. See a little bit. Not a lot. I'm sure my elbow's going to block the view here pretty quickly. If you can't see, oh well. I tried. Yeah, that doesn't really help very much. All you see is me moving around a lot. But over here. There. Now you can see better. Perfect. See that line right there? We're going to that line. Straight in like this. Ooh, no close right there. Don't go no more right there. You're already there. Stay off of that spot. Alright, quit cutting there. Got too much in the wrong spot there. Oh yeah, I'm digging in here. I don't want to be digging in. Hey, don't do that. It's late in the day. I'm screwing up a little bit. Oh well, we'll get over it. Let's go do the other side. Equally screw them up. Now, where'd it go to? Must be filming over here. Try to do the camera in a way. It's right where I want to go. Is where the camera's at. Okay. Alright, rough that in. We're getting roughed in a little bit. Hopefully I haven't butchered it too bad. Only a little bit. Just gonna butcher the bottom here. Really delicate area here. Easy to screw up. Perfect place to cut. Alright. Let me go cut over here somewhat now. Yeah. This one just going to kind of angle it in a little bit. Damn, somebody put a big hole right there. Who did that? Ew, terrible. Definitely put a hole there. Bad spot. Definitely screwed that up a little bit. Oh well. Yeah, we just make it bigger next time. We'll take care of it. Alright, that's enough of that. I'm going to our finish cutting. bad. Ah. Drop your air nozzle. Alright, let's go back and see what else we screwed up over here. Try to fix the problems we did. Let's see, it's better on this side, so let's go to this side. Alright. So I just want to blend this in a little bit. It's pretty well blended already. We're just going to smooth this up a little. Not too bad. I can cut some more there, but I'm not going to bother. This is not a perfect job. It's quick and dirty. That was the good side. That's the bad side when someone screwed it all up. Alright, let's go see if we screwed up some more. Alright, except for I screwed up, it's pretty good. Let's see what we can do about that bad part. Probably not much. It's hard to put it back after you cut it. Cut too much out. Yeah, I got some holes over there. Yep. Alright, but if that, we'll be back.